Drop for drop, nobody provides a better shower experience than the PowerWave Handheld Shower Head by Oxygenics. Are you looking for a morning routine more befitting royalty? We'd like to announce the arrival of the PowerWave Handheld. With 6 pressure-boosting settings, the PowerWave has everything you need to make you feel like the royal highness you really are inside. Everyone likes to feel pampered occasionally, and that's why we created the dynamic pendulum setting. It oscillates up and down up to 780 times a minute to massage your skin and provide an exhilarating rinse. That's not enough for your palace, though. That's why we included the incredible coverage of the wide stream, the invigorating focus stream, and the relaxing power of our famous multi-oxygenic setting. Our oxygenic spray setting works like mini turbine jets, infusing the water with oxygen to expand each drop and significantly increase power. So you'll use less water while enjoying more skin-revitalizing benefits. The PowerWave Handheld has non-stick internal parts that prevent buildup, and like all Oxygenics products, is built to last and comes with our Never Clog warranty. With all these innovative settings, an extra-long 72-inch hose, and water-saving design, the PowerWave is a shower that will make others green with envy. Oxygenics, now that's pure shower genius.